Ever pondered about what success truly means? Success, my friends, isn't about the size of your mansion or the price tag on your yacht. It's about feeling a rush of vibrant colors fill your soul each morning, ready to conquer the day. It's about hearing a whisper in your ear saying, "You've got this," even when life throws you a curveball. This is the success we all should strive for. Success is about painting your soul with vibrant hues, and the key to this is a positive mindset. So, how do we nurture this garden of positivity? First, we must believe in ourselves. Our capabilities are like a hidden treasure chest, waiting to be discovered. Think back to a time when you surprised yourself with your own strength. That's your potential, waiting to be tapped into. Second, we must ditch the negativity. Like a rotten fruit, it only serves to poison our mindset and dampen our spirits. Instead, surround yourself with positivity, with people who support and uplift you. Third, set goals that resonate with your soul. Not a checklist set by society, but dreams that truly ignite your passion. Fourth, celebrate every small win. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory dance in the face of adversity. Finally, embrace the stumbles. They're not roadblocks, but stepping stones. Every setback is a new opportunity to learn, adapt, and rise stronger. Each stumble is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. Every setback is a chance to learn, adapt, and rise stronger. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. It's a thrilling ride through peaks and valleys, each with its unique lessons and rewards. So savor the process, embrace the challenges. Let your positive mindset be your guiding light, illuminating your path through the darkest tunnels and the stormiest seas. Plant the seeds of positivity, water them with unwavering belief, and watch your garden of success bloom. A positive mindset is a superpower. Use it to conquer your fears, achieve your dreams, and paint the world with your vibrant light. Shine on.